Day 57. Yesterday, you used TimeRules to control which days your scheduled event fires. Today, you're going to handle the other half of the equation. You know that schedule on takes two arguments. TimeRules told you the day. Now you need something that tells it the time. That's what TimeRules does. So, what is TimeRules? TimeRules is a class in QuantConnect that provides preset options for specifying what time of day a scheduled event should fire, such as at market open, at market close, or a fixed number of minutes after the open. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have the store hours sign. On the right, TimeRules. Imagine a store that opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 6 p.m. Staff don't decide those times each morning. The hours are set in advance and everyone works around them. You know exactly when to show up and when to wrap up. The store hours sign here says, anchor your actions to known, fixed points in the day. TimeRules works exactly the same way. It gives you anchors like market open and market close, which in this case is, instead of hard coding a time like 9:30 a.m. that could break with time zone changes or market schedule adjustments, you reference TimeRules. After market open, and QuantConnect resolves the exact time automatically. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of TimeRules in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. TimeRules can anchor a scheduled event to market open or market close, rather than requiring you to hardcode a specific clock time, true or false. And the correct answer is true. That's one of the main advantages of TimeRules. Options like after market open and before market close let QuantConnect resolve the correct time automatically, which makes your schedule more robust and easier to read.